a sad, sad story to hear, all about the wreck of the old 97 and the death of the brave engineer. They gave him his orders at Monroe, Virginia, saying, Steve, you're way behind time. This is not 38, but it's old 97. You must put her into Spencer on time. Steve turned and he said to his black, greasy fireman, just shovel on a little more coal. And when we cross that White Oak Mountain, you can watch old 97 roll. It's a mighty rough road from Lynchburg to Danville, a line on a 3-mile grade. It was on this grade that he lost his average. You can see what a wreck he made. He was going down grade, making 90 miles an hour. His whistle broke into a scream. Woo, woo. He was found in the wreck with his hand on the throttle and scalded to death by the steam. Now come all you ladies, you must take warning from this time on and learn. Never speak harsh words to your true loving husband. He may leave you and